Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be here with you today. And today we'll be driving from Agric Bank to Centenary City, and we are going to be exploring Centenary City. I'll be showing you around with some estates that are both developed and still developing, okay? Now, Centenary City is the fastest developing neighborhood in Enugu State, and it is known for its luxury and standard structures. Okay, so before I talk about the history and facts of Centenary City, hello, if you are new to my channel, my name is Victoria Chinzuru, and I am a real estate consultant and agent in Enugu State. My goal is to assist you in buying and selling of properties, that's lands and houses in Enugu State, to help you make informed investment decision and also help you manage your building projects too. And our company is running an Ember promo gift sales for our clients who buy 5 to 20 plots of Apex Estates, Divine Acres and Destiny Layout Annex. Now, you have the chance to win amazing gift prizes like LG products worth 150 to 500k, a brand new iPhone 14 or an Android phone depending on the property you're buying, a bag of rice and a cooking oil. It comes with this, okay? It's amazing, right? So subscribe to my channel and check out the properties I have available for you, and call me on the number that is displayed on the screen for more details and for free inspection and also to purchase your ideal property, okay? Now, see it as killing two birds with one stone. I mean, who wouldn't want to invest and at the same time get amazing gifts for their loved ones this Christmas period? So make sure you don't miss out on this fun and this amazing property, okay? So let's dive right in on the features and the history of Centenary City. Centenary City is also known as Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City. This city delivers a lifestyle of luxury and serenity. I mean, the environment is wonderful, especially for our Odogus, our Asanwas that love peace of mind and luxury. This is amazing. It was envisioned by the private estate International West African Limited and the Enugu state government, and the development began in 2014, and it's aimed to create a world-class smart city in the whole of Nigeria. Just imagine that. Now, this estate has electricity, good road network, drainage system, water supply. There is school, recreational center, market, shopping mall, church, and so on. It is 8 minutes drive from the town, which makes it more easier for residents that work in town, okay? So this is Potter's Lifestyle Estate, and I will tell you, it's one of the most beautiful and luxurious estates in Centenary City. I went with my client to this estate last 2 years, and the development and growth in this estate is very massive. There is a lot of construction going on, and I just like the structure of the estate and how the estate was built. So if you're looking to buy into this estate, I think it's a wonderful and good idea for you. I don't really know if there is any plots left, but for those that bought into this amazing estate, congratulations, you made an amazing decision. There are a lot of estates, at least 20 estates, developed estates in Centenary City, and you can choose one from, because all of them are amazing. They are standard, as in there are a lot of beautiful buildings and a lot of development going on in Centenary City, okay? As Centenary City continues to develop, it aims to become a model city in Africa, showcasing the potential of sustainable urban planning and technological advancement. Its growth will contribute to Enugu's overall development and elevate Nigeria's global presence. I mean, now you can get a plot of land here from 5 million naira to 15 million naira, okay? Now, A plot, it depends on its location. 5 million naira is behind Centenary City, while 50 million naira is in the 8 states in Centenary City. And it is amazing if you have one of the, at least one property in Centenary City, both home and abroad. You need to have at least one from Centenary City. It is a very, very good investment. One serve is not even enough. You need more than one, okay? So there you have it. We have explored some parts of the captivating facts of Centenary City. I mean, there are some parts of it that we haven't even seen yet. The golf course, there are a lot of places, the market and so on. There are a lot of places we haven't seen yet. I'm just showing you some of the 8 states in Centenary City. There are more 8 states in Centenary City that we can't even enter at the moment. But with time, I'll be making a video and be showing you around, okay? Because this place is really wonderful. So make sure to add this incredible destination to your bucket list for those that want to come back for Christmas, for those that want to celebrate Christmas with their family. This is the best time to visit Centenary City, okay? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest drive-through adventures. And not just that, on updates concerning real estate and the properties we have for sale here in Enugu. Until next time, happy exploring and happy Ember month for everybody that will be coming back this Christmas period. And don't forget, make sure you check out our Ember month promo sales because they are amazing, and people are already rushing those properties. They would not last long, especially Destiny Layout and Divine and Apex Gardens. Sorry, these are the 2 limited estates right now. So make sure you do this now and call me today to secure your plots, because real estate waits for nobody. It's not going to wait for you. People are going to invest, people are going to buy, and while you're still watching, while you're still waiting, the opportunity will pass you by. I mean, I did this negotiation myself, so you will not see these promo sales anywhere but here. So take this opportunity seriously and make sure you call me today and book your plot and buy your real estate investment, okay? And also make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'll always be here with you every day. Thank you and have an amazing time, okay? Make sure you watch this video to the end. Explore this beautiful and captivating city called Centenary, okay? It's amazing, and you should really look forward to buying a plot or 2 in this amazing estate. So call me if you're interested in buying this property, okay? In buying any property in Centenary City, and I'll make sure to deliver. I will give you exactly what you are looking for. Thank you and have an amazing day. Make sure you watch this video and remain blessed. Bye.